I wanted to see if there was a big difference with using the MOA keycaps that I got versus using the Sarah keys. So I was able to get a sample of the Sarah keys just to see how the ceramic keycaps sounded, and want to compare the two. So I'm using the same switches for all the keys. In this case, it's the Wisteria Linear switch. So I'm going to do 2 with the MOA keycaps and 2 of the ceramic. So do this, that, and then I will just put back this one. All right. So here are the ones with the ceramic keycaps. And then here are the ones with the Wisteria switch with the normal MOA keycaps. It's a bit of a sound difference. I can't decide which one I like better. What do you all think?